Hi and everyone. We are cooking a Czech Republic Christmas cookie that is called Podvodnice. I don't know if I pronounced it correctly, but I hope I've tried today. And this Christmas cookie is an interesting one because we are going to soak our dough into cold water. We'll put the dough in cold water and put it in the fridge for it to rise. That's very interesting. The word Podvodnice means underwater. So welcome to today's video and let's see what we are working with. These are the ingredients for our Podvodnice cookies or underwater cookies. They're not many, they're just a few. This is some milk, yeast and sugar, flour and butter. So we will start with our yeast and sugar mixture. We'll put our milk and we mix this. Then we will let it rise for 10 to 15 minutes. The yeast is ready. We're going to pour it into our flour and our butter. Then we mix. We're going to shape our dough into a ball. This is where things become interesting. So I'd put this bowl with the water in the fridge at night and it's in the morning. Then we put our dough inside. No, it's supposed to cover it completely. Let me clean up this. I think this is what will work. Can you see bubbles? This is interesting. Do you see those bubbles? Wow. Wow. Okay. This will go into the fridge for 90 minutes. So see you later. Here is our dough. So you're supposed to pat dry it a bit. It's cold. I'm using a kitchen towel. I will divide mine into two pieces. This is the way it looks inside when divided, and this is the outside. Flour my surface a bit. It has a very interesting smell. This is my first cookie recipe to make with yeast. So far we've been using baking powder, baking soda. Yeah. So I'll divide into two and I start with this one. I'm going to roll my dough and then cut out some small shapes. are going to bake them for 15 minutes. The last and the final step is rolling our cookies into powdered sugar.